Hey guys, Brian here. So I had a puncture. It's actually something that doesn't happen to me that often, if ever really. I had a puncture last night, so I had to change the wheel. The wheel brace and jack setup on a Honda Civic can be, probably if you're unfamiliar, and some people might know this, they might think, oh my god, everyone knows this. Probably a lot of people don't. I just want to show you how it actually works. So I had a puncture on the front left wheel. Anyway, this is the jack and wheel brace setup. Sorry about the lighting, I had to use the torch. But the first thing is you get the jack and there's a point. So there's 4 jacking points. See the way there's a little wedge? Get that up in there, get it onto the right point. There's 4 of them around the car. Once you have that, then there's 2 other sections that will be relevant. So this one here, which is the long kind of hook. And then this one here, which is the wheel brace. So once you're happy that the jack is kind of up in place, then get the hook and stick it on here. It's not very elegant the way it sits on, but it sits on. And then the other thing is, you see on the wheel brace, there's a small little section that hook can actually go into. A little bit difficult with one hand, but so it's really a two-handed job. But it's quite easy. You just push that in on top of that. They will slot in together, so very, very straightforward. But make sure the wheel brace is facing outwards, because that's the section that you're going to be using to twist. So up here at the top, you're going to be using your hand to rotate the wheel brace up and down, and then you literally just start screwing upwards or downwards depending which direction of travel that you need to go. So it's pretty straightforward, but sometimes people get caught out with it. So again, probably some people might already know how it works, but there's other people, that's actually the first time I actually kind of put it together and used it. So I just thought it might be useful for somebody someday. Anyway, thanks a million for watching.